Hey everyone! So you want to turn your photos, your images into fun cartoon style images and that also within few seconds. Yes, today I'm excited to show you Neural Frames, a free AI cartoon generator that can transform your any image, any photo into a beautiful cartoon, stunning cartoon with just a few clicks. So whether you are a content creator, artist, or just love having fun with photos, so this tool is perfect for you. So let's dive in and see how it works. For this you can go first of all neuralframes.com, and here you can see when you scroll down, scroll bottom, so here you can see the list of free tools and one of them is free AI cartoon generator. So you can click here or you can directly navigate to this URL neuralframes.com/tool/AI-cartoon-generator. So you can see this is AI cartoon generator, and the most important thing, it is free, open source, and without login, no login need. So without login you can generate AI cartoons here. So welcome to Neural Frames, your go-to AI animation generator, and here you can transform any photo into a fun cartoon style image using our cutting edge AI cartoon generator. So just the steps are very simple. Upload a photo, then choose your favorite style and watch the magic happen. So let's see how the steps will be done. So here you can see upload your image. So you can upload from here, like I have in my desktop, for example, this one, this image, and or you can also use sample image. You can try with their sample image, but I have uploaded the image. Now here you can choose the styles like rubber horse or this one dream, like hand painted, and like minimalist dot eyes and pastel watercolor and whimsical storybook realism or wood block folk art. So for example, if you select this one or this one and create style cartoon, so you can see it is creating your style cartoon, and within few seconds, this can take few moments, so within few seconds you will have your AI generated cartoon of your own image. It looks, yes, it looks good. And for example, this one, so we can create style this one, and this time this is wood block, so it's wood block minimalist dot eyes. So you can select as you want, you can select, and this one looks amazing. See how you can see download cartoon, so we can download it, and it has been downloaded. So if I open, you can see here, like this is open. See, incredible. We have downloaded our AI generated cartoon, and let's try for another image, for example this one, and this time also I will select wood block and use this one. So see how easily you can generate, you can create cartoons of your own images within few clicks. It looks amazing. See this one. Let me show you the original images. Like these are my own images. First one, this and this. So you can see how we generated this one. See this and this. See, it's amazing. So I hope you have learnt a lot in this video, and please subscribe to my channel and also share the video with your friends so they can also learn new things, they can also increase their professional skills. So please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much once again.